In this video, we show how to replace Riser 3E in a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover and air shroud removed from the system, to remove Riser 3, loosen the 4 captive screws on the rear of the system. With the screws loosened, press the release latch and then lift straight up out of the system. To install Riser 3, align and lower it into the system and press down until fully seated, and then tighten the 4 captive screws to secure it in place. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.